Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best door reinforcer is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for enhancing the security and integrity of your home or business, offering a robust solution against forced entry and everyday wear and tear. This seemingly simple addition can significantly bolster the strength of your door frame and the door itself, providing peace of mind and a more durable entryway that stands up to the test of time and potential threats. In today's world, where security is paramount, investing in a quality door reinforcement system is not just a practical choice but a vital step towards safeguarding your property and loved ones from unwelcome intrusions. Number 5. Primeline U10827 Door Reinforcement Lock. Introducing a door reinforcement lock designed to add an extra layer of high security to your home. It effectively prevents unauthorized entry, giving you peace of mind. This lock is built to withstand significant force, helping to prevent doors from being kicked in. Enhance your home security and keep your family safe. Installation is made easy with the included 3-inch hardened screws. Achieve enhanced security and peace of mind in just a few minutes. Use this high-security lock on any swing-in door, regardless of thickness. It ensures that your door cannot be opened from the outside. Its spring-loaded design can be installed higher up, making it child-safe. This tamper-resistant lock also protects against kicking, picking, and bumping. Pre-drilling is required for the 3-inch screws. Avoid using a drill driver on its maximum torque setting to prevent stripping or breaking the screw heads. Some doors may require additional mortising for a perfect fit. What we like. This offers robust security against forced entry, capable of withstanding significant force. If you're looking for a straightforward way to enhance your home's defense against kicking in doors, this is a great option. Its child-safe feature makes it ideal for families wanting an extra layer of protection. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly on my door. It provides an extra layer of security and peace of mind. The reinforcement plate is made of sturdy metal and feels very durable. Number 4. Portable Door Lock and Door Stop Alarm Set. Introducing our Dual Protection Home Security Kit. It offers enhanced safety and privacy wherever you go, ensuring your peace of mind. This is an upgraded door stop alarm with a powerful 120 dB siren. It activates instantly when the door is opened, scaring away intruders and alerting you. The portable door lock provides an extra layer of security and privacy. It's incredibly easy to install or remove in seconds, without any tools needed. Small enough to fit in your pocket or handbag, this kit is perfect for travel. It's your reliable self-defense tool for hotels, apartments, and more. Installation is a breeze, and it's designed for various door types. We also offer excellent customer service to address any concerns you may have. Please note that this product is not suitable for all doors. We recommend checking compatibility before purchasing to ensure it meets your needs. What we like. This provides a unique dual layer of security with both a physical lock and an audible alarm. If you travel frequently or stay in hotels and want peace of mind, this portable kit is perfect. It's designed for those who need immediate, tool-free security enhancements in various locations. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly on my door. It significantly improved the security of my door and gave me peace of mind. The reinforcement plate is made of sturdy metal and feels very durable. Number 3. Door Armor Max 5-Piece Door Reinforcement Kit. Strengthen your entry doors against forced entry and kick-ins. This kit is designed to reinforce the door jamb, lock area, and hinge side for enhanced security. This comprehensive system includes shields for the jamb, door, and hinges to reinforce key structural points. All necessary hardware and instructions are included for easy installation. Constructed from durable, galvanized steel with a powder coating for corrosion resistance. It features hardened steel screws designed to anchor securely into your door frame. Designed to fit most standard entry doors, this system is adaptable to various lock spacings. It requires minimal space between the door and frame for proper installation. This kit can reinforce weakened or previously damaged door frames. The reinforcement plates help distribute impact force, strengthening vulnerable areas. Upgrade your home security in about 30 minutes with a standard cordless drill. The included guide and bit make installation straightforward for anyone. Trusted for over 15 years, this product has secured hundreds of thousands of doors. It's manufactured in the USA with a focus on durability and long-term home security. What we like. This is a comprehensive system designed to reinforce multiple critical points of your door. If you're looking for a complete solution to prevent kick-ins and strengthen your entire door frame, this kit is ideal. It's suitable for homeowners who want a durable, long-term upgrade and are comfortable with a DIY installation. What people say. The door reinforcement kit is easy to install and provides a significant increase in security. The product is made of durable metal and feels very sturdy, offering peace of mind. It effectively prevents the door from being kicked in, a common vulnerability. Number 2. Primeline U9553 Door Lock Reinforcement Plate. Add an extra layer of protection to your entryways. This reinforcement plate is designed to prevent forced entry by strengthening the vulnerable lock area of your door. Built to withstand the test of time, this plate is crafted from robust stainless steel. Its sleek finish complements your door while providing lasting durability. Get peace of mind without the hassle. All the mounting hardware you need is included, making installation straightforward and fast. This reinforcement is specifically designed for doors that are 1 to 3/4 inches thick. It features a standard 2 to 1/8 inch bore with a 2 to 3/8 inch backset for a perfect fit. Ideal for both reinforcing new installations and repairing existing door lock areas. It works effectively on both metal and wood doors. Please consult the provided dimensions to ensure compatibility with your door before making a purchase. It is not a universal fit. What we like. This product focuses on reinforcing the vulnerable edge of your door, specifically designed for standard door thicknesses. If you need to repair or reinforce a single bore hole on your entry door, this is a simple and effective solution. It's a good choice for those seeking a durable, stainless steel reinforcement for a specific door type. What people say. The door reinforcement kit is easy to install and provides a significant improvement in door security. The product is made of high-quality steel and feels very sturdy, offering peace of mind against break-ins. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, blending well with most door styles without compromising on strength. Number 1. Primeline U10385 Door Strike. Tired of flimsy door hardware? This innovative door strike is designed to replace your old, separate latch and deadbolt plates with a single, robust unit. Experience unparalleled peace of mind with our maximum security strike. It includes 6 3-inch screws, providing a powerful hold to effectively prevent forced entry. Worried about compatibility? This strike features slightly taller openings, ensuring a perfect fit for door hardware with hole spacing from 5 to 1/2 to 6 inches. Installation is a breeze, requiring minimal tools and effort. Crafted from durable stamped steel with a satin nickel finish, it's built to withstand the test of time. This combination strike is engineered for strength. Its steel construction and secure mounting ensure reliable protection for your home or business. What we like. This offers an upgraded strike plate designed to significantly improve the security of your door frame. If your current strike plate is a weak point and you want to prevent kick-ins with longer screws, this is an excellent choice. It's particularly useful for doors with specific deadbolt and latch spacing requirements. What people say. The product is easy to install and fits perfectly on my door. It significantly improved the security of my home. The reinforcement is made of sturdy metal and feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.